What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial on how to use Square Appointments to set up your meetings and your scheduling. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to their website, that's squareup.com, and you will land on this page right here. If you scroll down, you can get some features, an overview on some screenshots of the platform and what it can do for you, as well as their prices. So you have a free plan, which is of course free. You have a plus plan, which is $29 a month, and you have a premium plan, which is $69 a month. You can go ahead and compare the features of each plan to see what's best for you here. And now let's get right to it. So once you click on Get Started here, and once you do click on Get Started, you'll be redirected to this page where you can enter your first name or last name, your business phone number, and choose your time zone. As you can see here, I filled in the details, and now I'll click on Continue. Okay, now I'll enter my business name. I entered it before, How To Simple, as the name of the channel. And let's say I am in clothing and accessories business, so I'll choose clothing and accessories, then click Continue once again. And here you get the number of staff. So let's say I have 2 to 5 employees. The number of locations, one location. You can choose the number of locations depending on your business or your stores. So let's hit Continue. And then you'll tell them about your revenue. So your estimated monthly revenue, your average ticket size. So your revenue, let's say it's less than $20,000. Okay, next. And then which features are you interested in? So let's say I want to customize my online schedule, when people book an appointment with me, so online booking website. Okay, let's sell products, get paid, manage appointments. Okay, seems good. You can also choose as many as you want to. Now click on Continue. You can also get Square Appointments for iOS and Android. You can get, enter or confirm your phone number here and get the link to download the app sent to you. However, I don't want to do it right now, so click on Skip. And then they are configuring your dashboard for your main account. And here you will get to your main dashboard. So here you have overview, you have calendar, you have waitlist, you have online booking, and you have services, staff, and settings. So here you can continue the setup process, setup take payments, set up location, or create your services. So let's here click on Create Services just to create a sample service. So to show you what we'll do with it later. So in detail, the service name, let's say I offer to custom made hoodies. Okay. The description, I do custom hoodies. Okay. Now the price for the service, you can choose a fixed price or hourly, variable. So let's choose variable for now. The duration is 2 hours per session. Okay, you can choose the time that you want to. Okay, let's add a fixed price of $50. Okay, bookable by customers online. Okay, and then save. Now we created a service. I'll show you what we will do with it later. We can create another one. However, I'll just keep this one. Now, here, let's close this. Here you have the calendar. Let's view the calendar. Okay, here in your calendar, you can create an appointment. You can set your availability. So let's set our availability, that the times you are free in and the times that you are not free in. So click on this clock icon right here, and you can set your availability. So if it's a one-time change, here you can change, you can select the week. So today, in 1 week, in 3 weeks, and so on, and you get the date here will change. So let's select today to change this week. Now, let's say this week I will be working, or I'll have available times from Monday to Friday. Here it's selected by default from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. So you can change these times. And let's say on Monday I work from 9 to 4. Okay. And we can add also a time. So let's say I take a break from 4 to 6, and then I'm open or I'm free from 6, hit enter, to 8. Okay. Let's say on Tuesday I'm off, and Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday I am working the set time. So you can edit your schedule as you wish, or if you have these times are recurring, you can set a recurring schedule. Okay. 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay. Now, you can edit a recurring schedule to create a recurring schedule that will be recurring or repeating every week. Okay, now that I set my times, let's click on done here, and your times will be added to the calendar. So now you can click on create to create an appointment. So if I click on create right here, the event type, you can choose appointment, class, or personal event. So I'll choose appointment. The client information here, I can select or create a client. I can enter their email and their phone here, and the appointment details, I can have it all day or a repeating appointment. Date and time, I can choose here the date, let's say in 2 days at 9:30 p.m. The appointment notes, I can add a note here. So bring designs. Okay. And here I can add a service to for this appointment. So here, this is where you will use these services. So if I add a service, here I have the one that I created. You can create as many services as you want to. So let's choose the one that I created. The duration is 2 hours and it equals to 50. So if I increase the duration to like 4 hours, okay, I can do so, and the total will be the same. However, I can change it if I want to. So let's say $100, okay. And here, of course, you have to select the client before saving. And now once you edit all the details here and the service and everything and added the client, you can click on save and the appointment will be created. Now, let's go back to the calendar. You can also, if you have all your times, your appointments, your schedule set up on Google Calendar, you can sync it here to sync with the Square appointments. Now here you have your wait list, and here are the requests that are on the wait list, and you can click here to add a request. Now on online booking, you have your channels, you have your settings, your advanced widget. You can click here to invite different clients. So you can enable online bookings here. Now in these services, if I click on services, here you have your service, the one that I created, and I can also create a service right here, create another one. So here is the service name. So let's say t-shirt, custom made t-shirt or custom shirt. The category, I can here select the category. Okay. None. Okay. Now, description, let's say shirt. Okay. Click on it. Now you can add images here or browse image library. So browsing image library. I haven't uploaded any images, so let's keep it as it is. Now the price, I can have a fixed price or a variable price depending on the appointment itself or the client. Here I can add a cancellation fee if the client cancels. Now the duration, the default duration will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. I can add processing time and block extra time. Here, the online booking, I can allow customers to book online. I can here assign team members, so I can, if I added my team members, I can select team members to assign to this appointment, replace price with description, have resources, variations, and so on. So here I can save the service. Now you have the item library, the services, the image library, discounts, options, units, and so on. And here you have your quick access menu. So you have home, you have your appointments here. So this is the screen that we are on. Now you have here the calendar, the waitlist, and so on. So here you have team, where you can add and manage your team members. You have shifts, where you can view and manage the work shifts for your members. And here I have reports, where I can view the reports and the insights of my transactions and appointments and everything. However, there are no transactions right now. Here in the reports, I can add my payment methods. So as you can see here, there aren't any right now. Now here I have the customers. I can view my customers. I can add different customers. I can view the transactions and my balance and so on. And of course here I can click on my name to view my account settings and cookie settings, seller community, and I can also sign out. So this was like a quick overview of the Square Appointments platform and its features.